Good afternoon, students. In our yesterday's class, means in our last class, we have completed the exercise number 2.2. Okay. Now, today we will start one new topic. So, which is there in our textbook. In the page number 46, you are having this topic. Doing addition and subtraction together. Okay. What it is? Doing addition and subtraction together. Okay, doing the addition and subtraction together. So in any sum, means in any problem, if you are given the addition and subtraction both, then how we will do that one? We will learn that one under this definition. Okay, under this topic. Now, in real life situations, we need to do addition and subtraction together. In such situations, go stepwise. Okay, in real life situations, in many situations in our life, we need to do addition and subtraction together. Okay, in such situations, what you should do? We should go stepwise. Okay, now here they have given you one example. Through that you can understand how to do the addition and subtraction together. Okay, now we will solve the problem. The problem is given here. Solve 8047 23 minus 54789 plus 64856. Okay, 64856. So how to do this problem? Because it is having the subtraction and also the addition. So here in this sum we are having the addition and subtraction, and we need to do addition and subtraction together. Okay, so for these kinds of problems in which the addition and subtraction appears, then for that we should go stepwise. Stepwise means what? In the first step, what we will do? We will write the numbers containing the plus symbol together. Okay, one side I will write. Now here it is having the plus symbol, and this one is also having the plus symbol. I will write those two one side. I will make a group of the numbers which are containing the plus symbol. Okay. So as this number is having the minus symbol, I will write it separately like this. Now, so while doing these kinds of problems stepwise, always do the addition first. Okay. After doing the addition, then do the subtraction. Okay. Now, first add these two. Don't subtract first these two. Okay. First add these two, and after adding these two, whatever the result you will get by adding these two, you subtract this number from that result. Okay. Now let us add these two numbers. See here, I will add these two numbers. First of all, I will write these two numbers in the columns. Okay. So 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. Now 5 plus 2 becomes how much? It is 7. Now 7 plus 8. If you add 7 with 8, you will get 15. I will write here 5. Take 1 as a carry. Now 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 becomes how much? Can you tell me? 5 plus 4 becomes 9. Okay. Now 0 plus 6 is 6 only. Write 8 as it is. Okay. So this is the answer we have got after adding these two numbers. Okay. Now in place of these two numbers, I can write this number. Okay. Because after adding these two numbers only, I have got this one. So I can write this number in place of these two. Okay. So I will write this one in place of these two numbers. What I have got? We have got 86,000. Sorry, it is 8,69,579 we have got. I will write that one here. Okay, in place of these two I have written this. Now write 54,789 as it is. Okay. So in the first step we have added these two numbers and we have got this much result. In the next step, what we shall do? We shall subtract this number from the result whatever we have got by adding these two numbers. Okay, now subtract this number from this one. Now let us subtract. Okay, subtract. I have written here subtraction symbol. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now 7 minus 8, you cannot subtract 8 from 7 because 7 is smaller than 8. So for that I will take one borrow from this 5. Now this 7 becomes 17. Here we left with 4. Okay. Now 17 minus 8 becomes how much? If you remove, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We are having 17 bars here. From these 17 bars, if you remove 8 bars, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have removed 8 bars from the 17 bars. Now count how many bars are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We left with 9 bars. So write here 9. Okay. Now 4 minus 7 is also not possible because 4 is smaller than 7. For that I will take one borrow from this line. Now this 4 becomes 14. Here we left with 8. Now 14 minus 7. If you subtract 7 from 14, what you will get? You will get 7. Okay. Now 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. If you subtract 4 from 8, what you will get? You will get 4 only. Okay. Now 6 minus 5 is 1. Now write 8 as it is. Okay. After subtraction of this 54,789 from 8,69,579, what you have get? We have got 8,14,790. Okay. So in front of this I can write like this, 8,14,790. So this is the final answer. Okay, I will once again explain the problem. In the first step, what we have done? We have written the numbers with the same symbol. That is, we have chosen first the plus symbol. So we have written the numbers containing the plus symbol one side and the symbol containing the minus, means the number containing the minus symbol another side. Okay, so here this is containing plus symbol, this number is also having plus symbol. So we have written these two number one side and I have written the number containing minus symbol one side. Okay, now in the first step we have added these two numbers. Okay, we have added these two numbers and the result whatever we have got after adding these two numbers, I have written in place of these two numbers. Okay, I have written this is the result whatever we have got after adding these two numbers, we have written here. So from that result we are subtracting this number which is containing the minus symbol. Okay, so after subtraction of this number from this result of these two, we have got how much? We have got this much. It is 8,14,790. So this is called as the final answer. So like this we can do addition and subtraction together. Okay. So now, so whatever the problems we are solving are the examples problems. Okay. Now we will solve another problem. Okay. In the question what they have given which number needs to be added to. The next example is which number needs to be added to 56,401 to get. It is 56,401 to get 67,341. Okay. So what number needs to be added to this one? 56,401 to this number. What we should add so that we should get 67,341. So for that, what we should do is, if we subtract this number from this whatever the result we will get after subtraction, that should be added to this, so that we will get this one. So we have seen, you have seen the verification methods like minus, I will write here, minus minus difference is equal to subtrahend, and difference plus subtrahend is equal to minus. Okay, you know these two formulas in the same way. They are asking you what number should be added to this 56,401, so that you should get 67,341 as the answer. Okay, so here let this 56,000 to this, what we should add to get this much as the result they are asking. Okay, now we need to, so this is the first added, this is the next added, another added. So they have given you one added, but you need to calculate second added, and they have also given you the sum of two numbers, but you don't know the second added. For that, what you will do, if you subtract the first added from the sum, you will get the value of second added. Okay, so now let us do that one only. So if this number comes this side, means if it crosses the equal symbol, it is having plus symbol previously. If it crosses the equal symbol, it becomes minus. Okay, you can see here 67,341. From this, if I subtract 56,401, I will get the value of second added. Okay, now subtract 1 minus 1 is 0, 4 minus 0 is 4 only, 3 minus 4 is not possible. I will take one, borrow from this 7, here 13, and here we have with 6. 13 minus 4 is how much? It is 9. Now 6 minus 6 is 0 only, 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, so this is the value of addend 2. Okay, addend 2. So this is the value of first addend. They are asking you the value of second addend. So if we subtract the value of first addend from the sum, we will get the value of second addend. Okay, so like this you can solve these kinds of problems. Now let us move to the next problem. Which number is 2,590 more than, which number is 2,590 more than 4,623? Okay, which number is 2,590 more than 4,623? So for it, so they have given you this number. They are asking you which number is 2,590 more than this one. So if you add for this, if you add 2,590 to this 4,623, you will get the number which is 2,590 more than 4,623. So for example, if I write 12 and here we are having 10. Okay, so suppose they have given you 10 and they have asked you which number is 2 more than, which number is 2 more than this 12. Sorry, you can see here I have written 20, say 20. Which number is, here we are having 10, here we are having 20. Which number is 20 more than this, sorry, which number is 10 more than this 20? A number which is 10 more than 20 means, which number is 10 more than 20? Yes, can you tell me? 30 is 10 10 more than 20. So for that, if I add this 10 to this, if I add this 10 to this 20, we will get 30, no? So which number is 10? They are asking you about 30. Which number means here 30. In the same way, there also. So after adding this 10 to this 20, we are getting 30, no? So this 30 is 10 more than 20. Okay. So in the same way, which number is 2580? So let's suppose I have written for your understanding purpose 10, no? So in place of 10, here it is which number is 2590 more than 4623. So in place of 20, we are having here 4623. In place of 10, we are having 2590. So we have added 20 plus 10 earlier and we have got 30, no? So the 30 was 10 more than 20. So here also after adding these two numbers, whatever we will get, no, that is 2590 more than this 4623. Okay. So for that, what I will do, I will add these two numbers. So the result means the sum whatever we will get, that sum is 2590 more than 4623. Okay, now add these two. 4623, 2590. Okay, 3 plus 0, 3 only. Now 9 plus 2 is 11. I will write 1, take 1 as a carry. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. I will write 2 here, take 1 as a carry. Now 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, this 7,213 is 2,590 more than what? 4,623. Means if we add 2,590 to this 4,623, we will get 7,213. This 7,213 is this much more than this, because after adding this much to this only we are getting this, no? So that's why this number is 2,590 more than 4,623. Okay, if you are not understanding this one, please recall the example of the 20, 10, 30, sorry 10, 20, whatever I have explained you earlier. Okay. Now so let us solve the problems based on mental maths. Okay, so I can give you mental maths problems also for your test. Okay, so please practice these also. We are having 1 lakh minus 1 lakh, okay, plus 1 lakh. So here addition and subtraction both appear together. So we need to do the addition and subtraction together here. So for that, the first step what we have done in the first problem, we have grouped the numbers containing the plus symbol one side. So here this number is containing the plus symbol and the last number is also containing the plus symbol. So now write these two numbers one side. See, I will write here. Write this one. Next. Okay. Now write this number containing minus symbol last. Okay. Now add in the second step. What you will do? Add these two. 1 lakh plus 1 lakh becomes how much? 1 lakh plus 1 lakh becomes 2 lakh. I will write here directly. Okay. Minus. So we have added these two numbers and we have got the sum of these two numbers as 2 lakhs. From the sum of these two numbers, we are subtracting 1 lakh. Okay. So if you subtract 1 lakh from 2 lakh, how much you will get? You will get 1 lakh as the answer. So this is the final answer. So in this problem, we have solved using two steps. In the first step, we have added, means we have written the numbers containing the same symbol, that is the plus symbol one side. Here you can see, and the number which is containing the minus symbol one side. Okay, now we are adding the numbers which are containing the plus symbol. Okay, and after adding those two numbers, whatever the sum we have got, that is we have got here 2 lakh, from that sum we are subtracting the number which is containing the minus symbol. Okay, so here after adding these two numbers we have got 2 lakh. From these 2 lakh we are subtracting 1 lakh. Okay, from the 2 lakh if you subtract 1 lakh, you will get 1 lakh as the answer. Okay, so this is the final answer what we have got after doing the addition and subtraction together. Okay, now one more problem is there of the same kind, in which they have given you addition and subtraction both in single problem. Okay, now see here, 3000 plus 2000 minus 1000 equal to blank they have given. So it is also problem which comes under the category of, it is a problem of addition and subtraction. Okay, this problems contains addition and subtraction in the same. Okay, now the first step what we will do, we will group the numbers containing the plus symbol one side. But here no need of doing that one, because already they have given you the numbers which are containing the plus symbol one side. You can see here, this is this one. They are in the one side only, and they have written the number containing the minus symbol another side. Okay, now you should add these two numbers. Add 3000 plus 2000. So if you add 3000 plus 2000, what you will get? 3 plus 2 becomes how much? 3 plus 2 becomes 5. So write 5000. Now from the sum of these two we have got as 5000. From that sum you need to subtract 1000. So if you subtract 1000 from 5000, how much you will get? We will get 4000. Okay, so this is the final result. 4000 is the final result. Okay. Now come to the question number 3. Which number is 20,000 more than 30,000? More than 30,000. Okay, so this is the problem of the same kind which we have solved earlier. We have solved the problem of which number is 2590 more than 4623. No, this is the same problem of that kind only. Okay, now what they have given, which number is 20,000 more than 30,000, means here we should add this 20,000 to this 30,000, then only we will get the number. Means after adding these two numbers, whatever the result we will get, that will be 20,000 more than this 30,000. Okay, now for that I will add 20,000 and 30,000. Now let us add. Okay, 0 0 0 0, 3 plus 2 becomes 5. Okay, so this 50,000, which number means here 50,000. 50,000 is the number which is 20,000 more than this 30,000. Okay, so after adding 20,000 to the 30,000 only we are getting 50,000. Okay, so that's why we can call this as, it is a number which is 20,000 more than this 30,000. So how much you should add to 30,000 so that you will get 50,000? If we add 20,000 to 30,000, then only we will get 50,000. No, so that's why we can read it as 30,000. 50,000 is a number which is 20,000 more. Whatever we are adding to this 30,000, no, so that much smaller than this, that much is the smaller this number. Okay, 30,000 is 20,000 smaller than 50,000, or you can say 50,000 is 20,000 more than 30,000. How? 30,000 is 20,000 smaller than 50,000, and you can also say 50,000 is 20,000 more than this 30,000. Okay. From 50,000, if you subtract 20,000, then only you will get 30,000. No, in the same way, if you add 20,000 to 30,000, then only you will get 50,000. Okay. So like this you can do. Which now let us solve the fourth problem. So fourth problem is also of the same kind. Which number is 7,000 less than 10,000? Okay, which number is 7,000 less than 10,000? In the so far we have seen which number is somewhat more than, but here we have the term less than. So for this, if anywhere you see less than means you subtract. Okay, use the subtraction. More than means use the addition. In the previous problem we are having which number is 20,000 more than 30,000. In that case, here we are having in the third problem more than. No, in that case you need to add 20,000 plus 30,000. But here we are having less than. Less than means we need to subtract 7,000 from 10,000. Okay, so let us subtract. Okay, 0, 0, 0. 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, so this is the result. 3,000 is 7,000 less than 10,000. Okay, so after subtraction of the 7,000 from 10,000, after subtracting 7,000 from 10,000, we are getting 3,000. No, so that's why we can call this 3,000 as it is the number which is 7,000 less than the 10,000. Okay. Now, one more problem. Okay, one more problem is there. They have given you the statement. Arav, a bookshop owner, had 5,000 books. Okay, I will write directly the answer. You please open your textbook and see the question. Arav, a bookshop owner, had 5,000 books. How much books he is having? 5,000 books. Okay, 5,000 books he is having. Okay. His friend Amir gave him 2,500 more books. Amir gives how much? Here Arav is having 5,000 books. Okay, Amir has given how much? Amir has given 2,500 books to whom? To Arav. Amir gave 2,500 books to Arav. A school librarian purchased 6,250 books from Arav's shop. Okay, here Arav is having a bookshop and he is having 5,000 books with him, and his friend Amir has given him 2,500 books. Okay, now how many books in total Arav is having? 0057. So if you add the books which are with the Arav and the books given to Arav by the Amir, if you add those, you will get the total number of books that Arav is having. Okay, now a school librarian purchased 6,250 books from Arav's shop. How many books are left in his shop now? So after Amir has given 2,500 books to the Arav, he is having totally how many books now? He is having 7,500 books with him. Now a librarian purchased some books from Arav because he is having the bookshop now. So he has purchased how many books? He has purchased 6,250 books. So after purchasing 6,250 books from the Arav, so how many books left with him? Okay, he sold 6,250 books to the librarian. Okay, from 7,500 books, Arav has sold 6,250 books to the librarian. So after selling 6,250 books, Arav left with how many books they are asking. So for that, if I subtract 6,250 books from the total number of books that the Arav is having, if I subtract, then we will get the number of books left with Arav. Okay, now 0 minus 5 is not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow from, now this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here we left with 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now after selling 6,250 books to the librarian, Arav left with 1,250 books. Okay, so this is the number of books Arav left. Now I will write here, Arav left with 1,250 books. Okay, so now in today's class we have completed the example problems which are based on doing the addition and subtraction together. Okay, and we have also solved mental math problems. Okay, now in our next class we will solve the exercise problems. Exercise number 2.3 we will solve. Okay, thank you.